We never like to hear of a strain between mothers and daughters, but it sounds like that's exactly what's happening with Selena Gomez and her mom. Rumor has it Selena and her momager, Mandy Teefey, have a strained relationship for over 3 years after they parted ways as manager and client. Back in 2014, Selena surrounded herself with a new executive team, and their professional relationship caused a major rift between the mother and daughter. And now with Justin Bieber back in Selena's life, we can assume things are getting worse. Not that long ago, there were reports that Selena's family was very unhappy that she was reunited with her former flame. And there were some publications claiming that he wouldn't be able to spend Christmas with her because her family forbade it. But a source told E! News that Selena's bond with her mom is strong, and she's the person that means the most to her. The source added they have a really complicated relationship, and they've gone through a lot of ups and downs. What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.